Open your bank account. Are you a Gen Xer, over 40, over 50, and you just can't believe how hard you've worked and you have nothing in the bank? No retirement, no savings. You don't know what you're going to do. Well, listen up. Listen up. And yes, I am a little more confident about my videos now since it is real for me. I woke up to $1,400 this morning. I woke up to $900 yesterday, and days like those just keep coming in. This isn't it isn't a fantasy anymore. It's real. It's as real as I've been saying it could be. It's as real as it's supposed to be, and it's one of the best programs I have ever got myself into. And I say program, it's a business. I'm building a business. I got 2 businesses now running successfully. Matter of fact, my digital business, which I encourage you guys to check out the blueprint right down there in the bio. It'll tell you all about it. My digital business is now funding my service business because I needed to get loans. I was about to get loans to fund my service business, to get it through and up from the winter. You know, we had a winter like slack, and I needed to get up and moving in the spring right now. And I was going to do loans, and then I started this 67 days ago. I started the digital program business 67 I think it's 67, something like that, days ago. And success, like money coming in while I sleep. I make a few videos. I encourage people to do this because I'm not bragging about it. I'm like desperately trying to get you guys to realize how awesome this system is and how diversified it is. That's what's crazy. I can do so much with this. Yes, I started with a program that I started selling right away. Within 4 hours, I was up and selling, up and ready. Business, turnkey, boom, gone. And 67 days later, well, I've been making money. So, I don't know, I think it was 45 days, somewhere around there. I'm losing count now. They're in my videos, though, all down there. When and where I made my first money. And in one of them, I'm bawling my eyes out, literally. 56-year-old man bawling my eyes out on video because I just hit my first sale. It was crazy. It was life-changing. I'll never forget it. My mentor, Wendy, she's been fantastic. There's a school group of 59,000 people that we're all talking and gabbing all around the world about how to be successful and what to do to be successful and how to grow and how to diversify and all of those things. And it's just mind-blowing that a lot fewer people than I thought are down there getting that free, absolutely free, no obligation blueprint that just gives you all the information that I can't possibly put in this video. All of it. It's too much. You don't need to be a techie. You can be a beginner. It starts in 4 hours. You make 100% profit on all of your sales. It's not an MLM. It's not a scam. It's not a get rich quick. No, you have to work. But you work like 2 or 3 hours a day. If you want to really get it to take off like I did, then you work 6 or 7 hours a day. It doesn't matter. It's yours. You do what you want. But eventually, if you're consistent and you do the work, you are going to make money. Now, so that's really it. I'm going to close out the video because if you really wanted more information, you'd click the blueprint. If you're still listening to me and you don't click the blueprint, I don't understand. So I'm just going to give up there. I am psyched. I'm pumped. I'm making money. I want other people to make money. I want this to blow up like crazy. I want you to understand what digital marketing, digital products are, and how diversified they are, and how you can sell other people's, yes, and make, affiliate money. You can sell your own and make 100% profit. You can sell this business that I'm selling right now for 100% profit. It's a master resale rights. You own it. And once you buy in to your business, Your lowest cost I've ever paid for a business, and I've owned at least 15 businesses in my life. And I've never paid this small amount of money for a turnkey business that is literally gone, running, it's yours. Anyway, rambling. I've got to go to Home Depot for my service business, but I'm going to use a little bit of the money that I got from my digital business to buy myself some toys. Okay? So, blueprint, right down there, do it. Gen Xers, come on. You don't, they took the first half of our lives. Do not let them take the second. Don't let these 25-year-olds stop us from getting into the digital market. They are making money hand over fist, and we are still working our freaking asses off. I do this because I love it. I really do. I love it. I'll never stop working. I love working, and I think as a Gen Xer, you probably understand where I'm coming from, because it's all we've done. It's got us through life. It's paid our bills. It's got us through recessions. It's got, okay, rambling, blah, blah, blah. Okay, Blueprint, I love you guys. Take a chance. It's going to change your life. Oh, and subscribe, follow, like, comment. I'll answer any question you have. Read the Blueprint, ask questions. I will answer them. Love you again.